Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon. My name is Sofia Bianca Gumbao, and this is our group presentation. Sorry for the inconvenient, ma'am. Ako ra isa ang mag-present kay ang duha na ko ka grupo kay naay klase pero nag-distribute sila buhat og PPT. So, what is radio? Radio sa akong gipili ma'am kay curious kay curious kay ko ba. So what is radio? Radio is a wireless transmission and reception of electric impulses or signals by means of electromagnetic waves. So this is the history of radio. The first radio was developed in the late of 18,000s. It took many years for radios to become public household items. There was several scientists involved in the history of radio. It is proven that the first wireless radio was invented in year of 1893 by Nikola Tesla. So, ingon ni Nikola Tesla, ang first radio yun nga develop is the year of 18,000. Pero ang nadiri kay ang gi-prove daw ang first wireless radio kay katong na-invent siya sa 1893. So guys, this is the first is the communication and dissemination of knowledge. Radio has been a vital tool of communication and scientific knowledge to the public, researchers, and the professionals. It has made the scientific information more accessible, promoting education and raising public awareness about scientific discoveries and issues. The second one is astronomy and space exploration. Radio technology enables development of radio telescopes and which detect radio waves from space. This has led us to groundbreaking discoveries in astronomy, such as cosmic microwave background radiation, the struck of galaxies, and the identification of pulsars and quasars. The third one is electromagnetic spectrum research. The study of radio waves has enhanced our understanding of the electromagnetic spectrum, which is crucial for developing other technologies such as microwaves, infrared, and X-rays. So, radio waves has a research lead the foundation for modern wireless communication and radar system. So the fourth one is the fourth one is development of electronics and quantum theory. Research into radio waves has driven advancements in electronics, including the inventions of transistors, which is fundamental to all modern electronics. So, it also contributed to the development of quantum theory, particularly in understanding the behavior of electrons and protons. So the fifth one is navigation and positioning system. Radio technology is as essential for a navigation system like GPS. The development of radio-based navigation system is in the early 20th century paved the way for the for prices positioning technologies we rely on today. Yeah, muna na siya. So, ang the last one is medical imaging and diagnostic. Radio waves are used in medical applications such as magnetic resonance imaging. That is called, or for short is MRI, which utilize radio frequency waves to create detailed images of internal body structures, significantly advancing diagnostic and medical research. So this is the discovery that brought about the invention of the radio. So this is what is name again? Hildrich Rudolf Hertz. So the development of publicity available and adopted radio experiments by Hildrich Rudolf Hertz between in 1880 and 1980 1880 and 1890 proved the existence of electromagnetic waves. His successful work took place after earlier students, earlier scientists explored and shortized, I explored and theorized about a potential connection between electricity and magnetisms. So, ang ang naka-discover jud kay si Eldridge sa invention sa radio. Siya man ang ganiha ang nag-invent jud ato kay si katong isa ka laki, kalimot ko sa ngalan. Pero siya daw ang naka-discovery sa invention sa radio sa year of 1880 and 1890. So, next slide. Ay, mana man di ay.